So in my previous question, you have seen what they are asking is they are mixing equally. Now what happens? This goldsmith is makes a alloy. What is the composition of his alloy? Is gold and silver, which is in the ratio of 3:2, and then same there is alloy 2, which is in the ratio 2:3. Now what he's doing, he's taking the 6 kg of first alloy and then giving with the 18 kg of the second alloy, right? So anyway the balance is 6 and 18. This is one, so if we simplify, this is 1 time, this is 3 times, right? Now check this composition. This is 5, this is 5. It is equally weighted. Right now understand this point. If they are not equally weighted, you are going to equally weight in the, like the method I have explained you in the previous one, and then you have to solve this question. This should be equally weighted. If it's not weighting, cross multiply, solve it, and then consider this ratio. So what we are doing is we just need to multiply this and this, right? The moment you multiply this, you have to multiply this by 3 and what? Add them, right? So because you are multiplying by 1, you don't need to do anything. You just do this into 1, and then when you add it, you get a ratio that is gold is to silver. But they are asking you what is the ratio. You are getting gold is to silver ratio only. So what is the agenda is, first of all, balance this, equally weighted, and then you can whatever their composition they are taking into, just multiply with the ratio. If it's not balanced, you know how to balance in the previous question, and this is very easy. Now you can see you're not dealing with any fractions or numbers, because I know you should know the basic method, that's correct. But if you know this question is going to come every time, then these are the options of the question, and then you should know how to use it efficiently, right? Thank you so much.